Marunong ka magbasa na ito, Litz. Koreano to, oh. Koreano yung nasakyan natin driver.
야, 한국스럽네요. Korean.
Korea.
You speak Korean? Huh? No? You Filipino? Oh. And what is your name?
회전입니다.
레이토.
그리고
레이토.
회전입니다.
Lito. You, what is your name?
My name is Ramil.
Ramel. Yeah, my name is Chinchan.
진찬.
Yeah, Chinchansu.
진찬수.
Yeah.
Nagkarawa ka dyan. Litz, di ba mahilig ka kumanta?
Yeah, this is the song.
O, yan o.
No?
Ayaw mo kumanta.
No singing?
100m 앞에서
No sing?
회전입니다.
Why?
회전입니다.
Because, ano,
Hearing gagakos? Because you don't know how to sing.
yes,
Where's your province?
Negros.
Oh? Negros. What is the language in Negros?
Filipino.
No, the language you speak.
Ilonggo.
Oh, Ilonggo. You Negros also?
Bicol?
Huh?
Bicol.
Bicol.
Oragon.
Oragon you.
Yeah.
Oragon you? No.
No.
He Oragon. What is your work here?
Painting.
Huh?
Painting.
Painting. Painting house?
House.
Oh, not a paint
And,
like a drawing? No.
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 House. Painting house.
Construction.
Construction.
Yeah.
How much salary? Big salary? Big salary?
Minimum.
Huh?
60.
20,000.
Yes.
20,000.
Yes.
One day?
Yes,
620.
Aman.
A month. Wow. Very good. How many years here, Manila?
20
20 years?
years.
Stay here?
Yes.
You family? You have family?
Dito na. Dito na. So may...
I don't understand Tagalog.
Hindi niya daw maintindihan Tagalog.
Oh?
English mo daw.
Sa English.
Oh?
English mo.
A little English okay. A little English okay. You have a family here in Manila?
Yes. Yes.
How many children?
4.
Oh, 4. Where? Here in Manila also?
Yes.
Oh. You watching my...
200m 앞에서
You watching?
회전입니다. 그리고 좌회전입니다.
Where? What is your name again?
Leito.
How old are you?
51.
51. Oh, you still young. Still working, right? I'm looking for worker going to Korea. I give you big salary. Painting house. I give you 100,000. 1 month.
Hanggang ano ang edad? Well,
How age daw limit?
Age limit? 55.
wow.
Pwede ka pa doon, Litz. 4 years.
You want to work there? In North Korea?
Pero hindi ako bibigyan ng pera.
No money daw.
No money.
No money. I give you money.
Bibigyan ka daw, Litz, ng pera.
200m 앞에서
Papuntang Korea.
Oh, yeah. I give you money, your family give you money, and go Korea, you big salary 100,000 per month.
Meron din yan. Yung pangalan.
좌측
Sa
차로
FB.
진행하세요.
Ha?
Ano ba yung sa pwede?
800m 앞에서
Ay,
Pwede
운전입니다.
Yan.
i-add o ganyan.
friend request. Friend request to FB account.
Ha? Friend in Facebook. You have Facebook?
Yes.
Oh, we friend, okay? Or I give you I get your number. Cellphone number.
Cellphone number.
Later.
Later daw, pag ano. Dahil sabi niya, mamaya niya daw ibibigay yung number. Pagpababa natin.
Give me daw. Yeah, magiging. Diba?
Oo. Mamaya, i-drive ko siya.
You have passport? Passport.
No.
No? I give you passport. Yeah, I give you passport. Just a painting house, okay? Painting house in Korea.
Sama kami. Korea.
Yeah, Korea, North Korea.
It's North Korea daw. Makapag-ipon ka na.
We go inside, right? Inside,
Inside, tapos left,
then
straight side,
then
left,
left again, then
gate 1.
gate 1.
Oh, stop here.
Stop then gate 1.
Yeah,
Drop. Go. You drop gate 1.
Log in.
log in.
Log in and then go inside.
Go inside.
Ah.
So, drop off.
Drop off. Same drop off.
Yung first stop to sa Biak na to.
Then you
Pinaka last.
Last drop off.
Drop off.
Ugat lawin.
So now what is your decision? You interested go to Korea, working in Korea?
Ano min, pag-isipan mo na min.
Hmm? I give you 100,000 a month. Hmm? Huh?
Di pa ako sure.
I'm not sure daw.
Not sure? Why?
Because
Because
ano pa sa family papa ano.
I give you family money.
Turn right.
Turn right
Wag na diyan.
Ay, hindi na. Stop.
there.
Stop na, stop.
Ayan.
You don't want to work Korea?
Yes.
Bakit?
Ay,
Ayaw mo magtrabaho doon?
Pa-picture ka muna, Litz.
Ayaw
Vlogger
mo
yan
magtrabaho
eh.
doon?
trabaho.
Pa-picture ka muna kay Don Bertus.
It's a prank. Tagalog.
Ayaw mo
Filipino ako.
Ayaw mo magpa-picture.
Picture.
Vlogger yan eh.
Susula. Oh.
Nahirapan ka ba?
Picture ko.
Nahirapan ka ba? Mag-English?
Nahirapan ako mag-English. Ano?
It's a prank.
Ano?
Okay ka?
Dito.
Okay ka na?
Oo nga.
Oh, wait lang.
Ayaw mo magpicture?
Kaway ka muna sa camera.
Ayan o, camera o. Nagbablog yan. Ay, viral kami ngayon.
Yan. Na-prank ka ba hindi?
Prank na ako eh.
English ano? Picture daw na. Ayan, ang galing na kapag English pa ano kahit hirap-hirap pero kaya. Kaya pa rin. Oh. Nasa rin.
Di ba na ano?
Na dali ang taga Bacolod. Bacolod ba Negros?
Negros, Bacolod.
Negros.
Don Bertus.
Don Bertus TV.
Don Bertos. Okay.
Yan.
Thank you.
Dito ka bababa.
Ah,
Sige, ihatid ko siya doon sa unan.
Sige.
Ayari ka, nakasabwat ko tuloy nito, kinasabwat ko. Sabi ko, huwag kang maingay, lulukuhin natin yung sa likod.
Di ko pa alam eh.
Hindi mo alam talaga, no?
Hindi ka nanonood.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hindi ka nanonood sa vlog niya eh.
Nadali siya, no?
Naniwala.
Yan, hirap. Saan mo ko napanood? Sa Facebook o sa TikTok?
TikTok.
Sa TikTok. Nadali si Tulits. Salamat ha. Uy, picture pala kayo.
picture.
Ayan. Baka may shoutout ka, shoutout muna.
Shout out sa girlfriend kong Tupac.
Uy! May girlfriend kang tupakin?
Oo.
Ayan, anong pangalan?
Patricia Jane.
Ayan,
Binson.
shoutout daw. O, yun o. Ayan, ingat ka ha.
Thank you, boss.
Good luck sa trabaho. Ha? God bless.
Thank you.
Ah.
Jiangsu.
So, followers pala natin.